What's up, guys? This is Alex. Today we're working on some Xbox controllers and working on the Volcano controller. Pretty cool Xbox One controller here. A little bit of wear, but not too bad. A little bit, a couple scuffs there on the red, but not really that noticeable. You don't see them on the back, really, because you're holding it from the front. So this controller, everything's pretty much fine. The left bumper doesn't work. So I'm like, alright, well, there's going to be something up. If I press really hard, it'll work. So I'm like, alright, we'll just replace the bumper with some new bumpers and take care of that problem, right? Also the sticks, might as well replace those if we're going all the way in there. Might as well put some new sticks on there. No other issues. It doesn't really feel that used. It doesn't, like it's been used a little bit, but nothing crazy. Oh, there's one. And the other one's still on the table. Cool. So we got that all apart. And yeah, it just seems like it hasn't been used a lot, probably because that bumper was messed up. So maybe that it's, whoever had it to stop using it. So we gotta dive into that and just replace it. And then I cleaned everything, replaced the bumper, and then realized there's still something wrong. The bumper is still not working. When the new bumper was put on, and you press the trigger down, the bumper goes down. But if you leave the trigger, non-pressed, and you press the bumper, it feels kind of hard to press. It feels kind of clunky. So I'm like, well, there's got to be something else going on, because this is a new bumper. The button works. I didn't change anything else. So yeah, what's the problem here? Well, it turns out the wire that runs to the trigger is too short. So pretty much the wire is kind of stopping the bumper from being pressed all the way down, or it's getting stuck behind the trigger itself. So actually there was nothing wrong with this controller. I think this is actually a factory issue. It was shipped out this way. The wire wasn't pulled long enough from the back, so it was kind of sticking out the backside, not pulled enough from the front. And that's causing the trigger not to go all the way down, or the trigger goes all the way down. It causes the bumper not to go all the way down. So what I had to do was just kind of pull on it, and just kind of pull it through to some little plastic clips to hold the wire all the way through the controller here. So on the back, just kind of pull it loose, and you might have to pull it out of the, pulling them out's kind of annoying, you got to put them back in, but once you get a few in, it goes pretty easily. Yeah, so just tugging away at that, and then eventually, once I hit enough length on this thing, I was able to finish wiring it through, and now there's enough room in the front here, so the wire should loop around the bumper. It shouldn't be bumping into it. So after, putting the bumpers on, 5-6 times, taking them off, messing around, like what the heck's going on, that was the problem the whole time. So it's actually, straight from the factory, this is a problem. Whoever had this controller probably should have just returned it, or got a warranty on it, because there was nothing wrong with it. Original bumpers are fine. That wire was fine. Everything else is good. I guess I put some new sticks on, so that's a little bonus, I guess. But yep, there were no problems at all. And then just to make sure, I went and tested it. It was still good, so that's a fix. So it doesn't always mean your bumper's broken. You might just have to extend the wire a little bit, just get a little more room to press, and that'll allow you to use it as normal. Gotta clean that work area, right? So finally here, we'll just put it back together. I checked it. It works. That's cool. I feel bad. Whoever had it before, they just, I don't know what happened. It just didn't work. So putting these back on. Not as fun as taking them off. We'll put them back on though. And there we have it. This one's already sold. This one's gone a while ago. Pretty cool controller. So once you get it cleaned up, pretty slick. Used it a couple times, it was fine, but whoever has it now, I'm sure they like it a lot. So thanks for watching, guys. Please sub and like, and check out the other videos.